Hey, the recent buzzword around here is immunity. Everybody's looking for ways to supercharge the immune system and to really figure out how to not get sick, right? So, I wanted to talk about our immune system today in a way where, it's not just using things or doing things that is going to help us improve our immune system, although that is important, I will cover that. But a deeper level for that is that how not to compromise our immune system by exposing it to toxins and chemicals around us. We have more of a focus on cleansing service areas, cleansing doorknobs, cleansing everything around us. But we need to be careful of what cleansing agents we use, because if we're just using chemicals and toxins to clean the area, we are just really canceling the effect because we are exposing ourselves to those toxins as a result, um, reducing our immune system. So, what I would like to talk about today is a couple of products that will, number one, boost your immune system to really give the body what it needs to naturally increase the defense of the body. But secondly, is to introduce you to some products that will help cleanse the environments that we're in without the harsh chemical toxins that we're so used to when it comes to cleaning. So first of all, let's talk about what we can use to boost our immune system. The must-have oil for that category is On Guard, which is our protective blend. It has a blend of cinnamon, clove, there's eucalyptus, rosemary. All of these oils are very high in antioxidant, and at the same time, there's some antibacterial properties in it. So that's why when we use this blend, whether it is diffusing to kill airborne bacteria or topically, I like to apply it on the bottoms of our feet so that it can get to my entire system, to kind of give my system a boost in immunity. So whether it is diffusing or topical use or even internal use, I rely heavily on Guard when it comes to protecting myself and my family. And I like to use it in my tea. I just add 1 drop in my tea, and my kiddos love On Guard apples, where you cut up some apples, you put it in a bowl of water, put a few drops of On Guard, and let it soak for 5-10 minutes. And the flavor of On Guard with the apples are just so incredible. My kids love that as a snack, and I love giving it to them because I know that it's healthy, it's boosting the immune system. So On Guard is a must-have. You can use it in many different ways, okay? So secondly, when it comes to boosting our immune system or cleaning, another go-to oil is tea tree. Tea tree oil is very cleansing, very rejuvenating, to our skin, to any cleaning area. So I like to actually bring tea tree with me, especially when I travel, and I like to kind of wipe down counters at the hotels and whatnot. And tea tree also, it's very purifying and refreshing when we diffuse it. So one of the things that I like to use is with On Guard and tea tree, I diffuse them together in the home, so that with On Guard, we're killing the airborne bacteria, and also tea tree is very cleansing, purifying, refreshing. So those two are really my go-to oil, because not only are they both very supportive for our immune system, it's also really good for our respiratory system, which we know it's very important that we want to keep our respiratory system strong and healthy these days. Now, the third oil that is in this package is called Purify. So Purify is an oil that I use regularly for cleaning. It has citronella, it has lime, and it also has cilantro, all very refreshing and at the same time very purifying. And so I like to use it for that purpose. Again, whether it is cleaning the counter, I like to put it in I steam my floor with a steamer. So I put some in the steaming water. And when you diffuse it, it actually helps protect against environmental threats. So this is one of, again, another oil that is really in the cleansing category, because again, as I mentioned, when we are careful about what we use around the homes, really would help us indirectly in boosting our immune system by not compromising it. And so another way, though, that we can actually compromise our immune system without realizing is being stressed. Because when we're stressed, when our stress level goes up, our immune system goes down. So one way of really taking care of your immune system is to lower our stress level so that our immune system doesn't have to constantly be worried about, okay, the body is stressed right now, can't fight the germs or bacteria because we need to be fighting the worries and all of that. So bergamot, it's a great oil. It's uplifting. It's very soothing to the nervous system. And I love to use it, again, diffusing. And it's also great for the skin. So I love just putting it in the diffuser again. And I love to put a few drops in my palm and just take some deep breaths. Just like, oh my God, it has such a relaxing and soothing aroma. Wow, because it is a citrus oil, it's also very uplifting. Now, you may also put 1 drop in your tea or in your hot water, because bergamot actually comes from the same plant where you get Earl Grey tea. So the leaves, the dry leaves goes to make Earl Grey tea, and the oil from the leaves actually it's in here. So, from the fruit of bergamot. So this is just so wonderful. So it's included in here because I love using it as in a diffuser, and also like I mentioned, in my tea, or just putting it on my skin. Okay, so as I mentioned, there's so many oils here that one of the best ways to use them is to diffuse them. So included in this kit is a diffuser. It's the pedal diffuser, one of my favorites, and there are a couple of settings where you can set it for 2 hours, 6 hours, or ongoing. There's also an optional light night, which my kiddos use at night, and also you can have it diffuse it for oils in a room for up to 330 square foot. So it's a very effective diffuser. It looks beautiful, and it's included in this package, just so that when you get all the oils, you now have something that you diffuse it from. And along with that, there's also the On Guard hand sanitizer mist that is in this kit. This product, it's something that I carry in my purse. I have it in my car at all time, especially now, right? Every time I go into a grocery store, getting gas or meeting people, I would come back to my car and I would spray my hand down very nicely. Even if I don't have access to water, I feel really comfortable using it because the main ingredient here is our On Guard oil. And then also, even though it has alcohol in it, it is not drying like a typical hand sanitizer. So it's moisturizing at the same time. I don't feel the dryness in my hands. And also it has a very uplifting, citrusy and spicy aroma. So it smells wonderful, makes my hand clean, makes me feel comfortable and confident as I go out. So it's a must have, and I'm so glad that it is in this kit for you. And along with that, when you buy this kit with the oils and a diffuser, you actually will get 2 oils from the kit's collection for free. And I chose 2 of the best, the most popular ones for you. One of them is Stronger. This is the protective blend for the kiddos. It has rose, frankincense, lycia. It smells divine. And because of the rose and the frankincense, it also is very soothing and calming for the kiddos. Now, I'm just gonna be honest, I actually use this too. This is not just for kiddos. I just love how it smells. So I love using it because it comes in a roll-up bottle. It's very easy. I just roll it on my wrist, inhale it. It smells wonderful. Now, last but not least, we have the Calmer oil. This is the resting blend for the kiddos. It has lavender in it. It has Buddha wood, Roman chamomile. So we're using the floral oil and also the wood oils in this. And the combination of the 2 allows it to be relaxing, soothing, while at the same time, the wood oils is very grounding and centering. So this is perfect for the kiddos at the end of the day when they're a little high strung, when they're just like stuck at home all day and wanted to do stuff and they couldn't, they get frustrated. I rolled this on them and help them kind of transition into a better night's sleep. Okay, so I'm excited about this Protect kit with the oils, the diffuser, and the kids collection. This is definitely going to be a kit where you would want to use in your home. And also with that, you will get 30 minutes wellness consultation with me, where I will walk you through how to use each of these oils to address your family's specific needs in boosting your immune system. You will also be included in my VIP Facebook group, where you will get continued education and continue offer like this one. And of course, there's a protocol card that even when I'm not around, you would still know exactly how to use these oils. So read through the details on this page and let me know if you have any questions, okay? Bye-bye.